Wagwan, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. If it's the first time over here, what we do over here is to analyze the financial market. You know, like chop it up in pieces, so each and everyone can understand Tradingview Thursdays, right? Today we're going to take a look at how to draw a trend line as well as how to draw a horizontal line. Alright, so let's jump straight into it. Alright, how to draw a trend line as well as a horizontal line. Right, so we're going to come over here to, this is our drawing section over here. So we're going to look to the left. So we're going to start with the trend lines tool. Right, so right here is going to be on the trend line. So this one right here, we got our trend line, right? And we also have our horizontal line. Why are these two lines important? Because within trading, you have to know where's the trend, is it up or down, and you also have to know how to identify support and resistance. So let's start with how to draw a trend line. So you're going to click on this, right? And we're going to put right here from the bottom all the way here to the top, right? So this right now is currently in an uptrend, right? So as you see, it's in an uptrend. All right, we could extend the line there about also. All right, click here, put that, right? So in order to move the chart back and forth, right, you got to be on this cursor right here, this four-way arrow right here. All right, so that is how we draw a trend line. Now let's learn how to draw an horizontal line, right? So you're going to go back to here. This is already on the trend line, so in order to change this from the trend line to the horizontal line, right, you're going to go out to the right here, click this little arrow right here, click it, and you're going to select horizontal line. Right, so once you select that horizontal line, let's identify the supports and resistance. All right, bam, right there, got a little support, and so we got a little horizontal line right there for support or resistance. Click on it again, right? Got a line right there. Let's click on it again. All right, got a line right there, right? Push it up. Let's draw another line. Click on it again. All right, we got another line right there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If there's anything you'd like to see me cover on Tradingview that you don't understand, please comment below and I'll definitely make a video for you. Big up to everyone and enjoy the rest of your week. I'm out.